Did you know an entire village of 2,000 people vanished in one day? In 1930, police in Canada found something impossible. The Inuit village of Anjikuni Lake was completely empty. But here's the scary part. Food was still cooking over fires. Half-eaten meals sat on tables. Children's toys were scattered everywhere. It looked like everyone just walked away in the middle of their day. The police searched for clues. What they found was even more disturbing. All the sled dogs were dead. They had starved while tied to their posts. But the most terrifying discovery was in the cemetery. Graves had been dug up from the inside, as if something had crawled out. Despite massive searches, no footprints led away from the village. No bodies were ever found. Even Inuit elders had no explanation for how 2,000 people could just disappear. To this day, nobody knows what happened at Anjikuni Lake. Would you investigate a ghost village? Share this with someone who loves mysteries and follow for more unexplained stories.